नहीं मिला ना accommodation अभी तक. I know it's very hard. In this video, I'm going to provide some substantial information based on which you can find accommodation in anywhere in Germany. So watch till the end and see you after the intro. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Bibek this side. So for those of you who are new in this channel, we mainly discuss about the prospects of going to Germany, APS, visa application process, how to write a statement of purpose, and a lot of things related of traveling and studying in Germany. So if you are interested, kindly hit the subscribe button and help me in this endeavor. And cheers to all of you because we have reached a total of 280 subscribers. And please pardon me because of the late video because I got chicken pox, and since I'm back on my feet, I thought the accommodation issue is one of the most important thing for you guys because you are searching accommodation or you will be searching accommodation when you get your admit in the next semester. So with that being said, let's get started right into it. So the one most important thing is भाई admit तो उठा लिया, ठीक है. अब admit से भी मुश्किल काम है एक accommodation ढूंढना. Because this is one of the areas because you don't know the landlord, you don't know how the rules work in the particular place and how the particular guy who is leasing the property is going to behave with you, and you actually gotta sell yourself in whatever platform you are interested in. So whether you are trying to find accommodation in Berlin, Frankfurt, Aachen, Dortmund or wherever it is, I'm first going to give you the whole picture of the accommodation scenario in Germany. See, first of all, there are a lot of frauds going on. Okay, so there will be people who will ask you for money before even they send you the contract. There are people who are just sending you bluff rent agreements or bluff ads on the WG Gesuch or other websites like this are going to happen, and you need to be careful. One most important thing is if you come across an offer which seems to you that it is too good to be true, skip it because it is 100% a trap. Okay, so if once you pay any kind of deposit without an agreement or without a landlord agreement or landlord confirmation, you are in soup because you are not going to see that money again, you are not going to hear from that person again, and you cannot catch that guy because all you have is a bank account, and these people will be working very hard to save their skin. So with that being said, the accommodation that I found in Aachen is costing me around 320 euros and the deposit was around 500 euros. I actually have a partner with me who helped me in this process, and we found this through the AISA group which is in Facebook. And you can take the help of various WhatsApp and Facebook groups of your university or different housing associations which are genuine and are providing you the leads, plausible leads for finding accommodation in your particular city. So for us, that particular ad was posted in the AISA group, and also we found the same ad on WG website, and we contacted that particular person and they sent us the contract. Both of us signed it and sent it back. After a particular days, he sent us the WGB, which is the landlord confirmation, with the help of which you can go for city registration. And once that is done, then only we initiated the payment, and we had our people in Aachen who helped us to recognize that this particular person is a genuine one. So see, this is the particular process in which you should go ahead. So first of all, what I want you guys to do is create an account in WG or any other housing websites, and after that create a template of the application that you are putting ahead. This particular application will be 100 to 150 word. It should mention where you're coming from, when you are coming. If you are not sure, give a tentative deadline, give them your status of blocked account or when you will be getting your visa and which course you are going to study in that particular university. So these few things will make your application more credible to the person. And in case of WG Gesuch website, the thing is, if you are staying on the website for more than half an hour, you will see as you refresh the website, there will be ads which will be coming on the top based on the particular filters which you put there. So the most important thing is, for you is to apply for the latest ad as soon as possible, as soon as they are published. By doing this, what will happen is the guy who is providing you the advertisement will receive your text on the top of the line. So it will help them, to go through your application first, and if you are a good candidate, then it might happen that you will get the accommodation very easily. So one more thing you can do is you can translate your application which you wrote in English into German and send that as a template. It will help the landlord to go through it easily, and it will attract their attention. That is one more thing. You can also attach with your application the admit letter that you have got, which will increase the credibility of your application, nothing else. Another way of finding application is apply for the student Indian work as soon as possible. If you are thinking of going to a particular university and if you currently don't have an admit, I would say ki go ahead and register in the student Indian work in the dormitories. At least you will be in the wait listing. God knows, if you by chance get an admit from that particular university, finding an accommodation will not be a big deal for you, because you will always be having the option to go to the dormitories, and it is very low cost comparing to those in the private market. And you have to keep in mind that you need to register yourself each month, otherwise your application will be just deleted if you don't re-register each month. So that is one thing you need to keep in mind about the student Indian work. And so just like I said, if you are having an offer from your landlord, make sure you go through the contract very rigorously and meticulously, because there are certain terms and conditions there which you need to understand before you go ahead and sign them. So once you sign the contract and send it to them, they will be reverting you back with a WGB or a landlord confirmation. If you are facing such a scenario where the landlord is saying that no, you first give me money and then you get the WGB or the landlord confirmation, then if I were in your shoes, I would simply drop that particular housing, because God knows, if he is not providing you with a WGB in a later period of time, then all your money is gone. So I don't want you guys to lose any money in the market just because some fraudulent guys may be poaching you. Also, other than WGB, there are a couple of websites which I'll be linking in the description below. Kindly make sure to go through them and register. So one more thing you can do to verify the particular property is, if you have some friends studying in that particular university, you can ask them out to go and have a look if you are having that particular rapport with that friend, and it will help you in verifying whether that property actually exists or whether it is up for rent or not. So keeping these in mind, I think I have covered most of the topics or most of the main points which you need to keep in mind while finding accommodation in Aachen. I know it's a big deal for many of you who are not finding accommodation because you are worrying about where you are going to stay. Try AMO hostels or Airbnb, where you can crash for a few nights until you find an accommodation. And also just keep grinding, go through different kinds of WhatsApp group or Facebook groups where they are posting regular ads. I will give the links of a few WhatsApp group which will help you in finding accommodation in Berlin, Frankfurt, or wherever you are interested in studying. So with that being said, kindly subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and families who are looking forward to the opportunity of coming to Germany and doing their master's studies. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.